Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube. Today, thought I heard something. Today, I was in here and I was about to give myself a haircut. So if anybody want to enter this self-cut challenge, I challenge you to the self-cut challenge. I'm not gonna do my own beard. I don't like doing my own beard. I have a barber for that. Shout out to my guy Theo. He one of the barbers that work in the shop with me. He usually get my beard right for me, but I do wanna take that mustache down some. Stuff be growing in my mouth, getting crazy. That's all I need. That's all I need. And for my beard, I have this beard oil that I have been using, right? If I can find it. There it go, it's over here. So this is a beard oil that I've been using from Beard Guru. Shout out to Beard Guru. They actually sent this out to me to give a try. And usually, I sell my own beard oil, so I usually don't really worry about trying other beard oils, but they had different scents. They had this apple blossom that I wanted to try out. So they had different scents and stuff. So I definitely wanted to give it a try. It's very smooth, it's thin. You know what I mean? Like it don't take a lot to get you a good use out of it. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to put too much on your beard. I mean, unless you want your beard to just be super crazy shiny. You know what I mean? I just put me a little dab on. I love that smell though. So my smell is more of a lavender. You know, out of my beard oil, I have a beard oil and it's more of a lavender scent. Matter of fact, here's one of the, this is not the beard oil, but this is one of the, if y'all can see that, this is one of the scents, you know what I mean, that I use. So having a different smell, they have multiple smells. So if you're looking to try a different beard oil, I think I have a link for them so you can grab it. I'll leave a link down in the description, but it's a nice smooth beard oil. So I just rub me some of that in, give me a nice smell. Your wife gonna like it, your girl gonna like it, your side piece gonna like it. Whoever you putting it on for, they gonna like it, you know what I mean? Just pick it out a little bit. Since I'm not getting my beard done today, I'll just, you know what I mean? Just pick it out a little bit. I did cut it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna cut it down one more time to bring in the new year. But as of now, this is the length. I put a 5 guard on there and then just went down on it. So when I do get it cut, I'm gonna get it trimmed up. But anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Try the Vantage shaver. Get you some beard oil from Beard Guru. Let me get out the shot. See if we can, boom. Try you some of that beard oil. And yeah, and there we go. Peace.